This will definitely be set aside for a future giveaway. I'm sure it's lovely. Just the scent, can't do it. Can't do it. Also can't apparently close up the box. Hi everyone, I'm Wago Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wago stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what I received in the June Boxyluxe, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. Okay, can you believe it's June already? Man, this year is flying by. I have never received a boxycharm box that is shaped like such. I usually get the square ones. So, do we think we're going to get a good box this month? I don't know. The Luxe boxes are usually hit or miss, and sadly, more often than not, they are miss. But I do have high expectations. All right, let's see. Also, will we get all skincare or a mix of beauty and skincare? Enough speculation. Let's dig in and see what I got. We have a visitor. All right, so this month's theme is Dare to... Oh, I thought it said drizzle. Dare to dazzle. And I am iteration really long number. All right, so I'm going to set that aside. No spoilers, please. All right, I'm going to grab the first item, which I already saw in the corner of my eye. Don't know what it is, but I saw the brand, and I am excited. This is from Nars. What are you? We have a blush. I believe this is a cult classic. It is in the shade Orgasm. I just read it. Don't judge me. Oh, it's smaller than I was anticipating based off of the box size. Let's see if we, if it's worthy of its name. If I can get the plastic doohickey mabob off. Come on. Apparently I cannot. Here we have the shade. It does look like something right up my alley. Why? Okay, there we go. There we go. All right, let's take two. That is lovely. Looks to have like a slight shimmer. Do a swatch. Ooh, it's very light. It does have a shimmer. Yes, this retails for $30. All right, next item. I don't even know what this is, and why do I feel like it's going to be in a future giveaway? You look like you might be here. What are you? Oh, I was wrong. I was wrong. So we have from Aromatherapy a Revive Body Gel, 200 milliliters. So this is from Aromatherapy Associates, and it's the Revive Body Gel. Retails for $46. Okay, that's a pricey body gel. What's a body gel? Is that like a shower gel? Or body lotion in gel form? It's safety sealed. I don't feel like... Hopefully I like it. Wow, that's a little pricey. All right, next item. I'm filming midweek. I never film midweek, or I should say, rarely film midweek. But if I wait till Saturday and film, this won't go up till Sunday. It's BoxyCharm. I got it it's not early. For me, getting it on June the 17th, that's early, because I've gotten it before, like, 25th of the month, so I digress. All right, what is this next item? We have from Pureheals, Real Rose Petal Sleeping Mask. Oh, I'm torn. I don't like the scent of rose, but I love sleeping masks. What to do? OMG, this retails for $55. Okay, now I'm intrigued. I love a bougie product. Let's hope it's not safety sealed and hope it doesn't stink of roses. You know, grandma scent. Ooh. Oh. Oh, please don't stink. It's really, my lights will behave. It's gel with kind of floaty bits. It came with a spoon. Super fancy. Oh, okay. It's not safety sealed per se. It just comes with a little thing that you pop off. All right, here we go. I'm just going to set that back down. Why, in the year 2021, do people think we enjoy that scent? It's full-on grandma scent, which I've learned equals rose. Not my cup of tea. This will definitely be set aside for a future giveaway. I'm sure it's lovely. Just the scent, can't do it. Can't do it. Also can't apparently close up the box. Okay. Ay, ay, ay. Next item. What are you? You're super heavy. All right, so this is from Elemis. Woohoo. Love a shishi brand. Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. Oh, you had me until I heard the word cleansing butter. I use cleansing butter, but just... This does come safety sealed. Alrighty. Shall we guess now what we think this is going to cost? $198, $82. What does the card have to say? Whoa! It retails for $38. All right. Ooh, and it's a new launch. My surprise look was, I was expecting it to be really high. I was way off the other way. Okay, well, if anyone likes a bougie brand cleaning product, $38, still a little pricey, but doable. More makeup, please. More makeup. What do we got here? Filler product. Sorry. What is this? Starry Collagen Gel Eye Pads. Anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, reduces dark circles. Sign me up. 5 pads. What does BoxyCharm claim this is worth? And you get 5 sets, I presume. I hope you get 5 sets. $32? Okay. I will use these. I don't like face masks, but I will use under eye, under bag. Old lady, gots to get them on. Yes, I will do that. Okay. Next item. I just saw the name out of the corner of my eye. I'm happy. Please be good. This is from Smashbox Cover Shot Golden Hour Eye Palette. That's a tiny palette. Is this an add-on? Oh my god, I don't know if I'll pick up on camera. It, like, changes. It looks like a movie or something. Remember those books when you were a kid that would do that? Oh, that is really cool packaging. Alright, what does this cost? Nope, this is apparently full-size item, as small as it is. It's the Smashbox Cover Shot Eye Palette, which retails for $29. Please be a color story. I will enjoy this packaging. I could sit here and stare at this for hours. Woo! Alright. Yes. Old lady neutrals, boring person approved. Let's do some swatches. There's that clear shade right there. Yes, a little light on the swatching, but that doesn't mean they won't look good on my eyes. Alright, next item. Yes, another brand I know and like. What are you? This is from Dr. Brandt, Triple Oxidant Face Cream. Yes. Alright, as much as I say I want makeup, I do enjoy good skincare. And I love Dr. Brandt. How much are you going to be? This one for sure. I'm guessing north of $50. Yeah. This bad boy is $64. Whoa, it's also a new launch. Never noticed that on the boxycharm that they call out new launch. Is that something new they're doing? All right. Last item. Whatever it is, it's fancy. It came some plastic. It's large. What are you? The Word Woke Cool Steam Eye Mask. Oh, mom. It was large. I was excited. I thought, ooh, that's a really fancy palette. What? I don't like kits like this. Just not my cup of tea. These like, ooh, hot and cold. Okay. So I guess you either freeze or heat up the gels, and then you stick them inside. Here's a little pouch, and then you slap it on your face. Luckily, I don't get migraines or headaches, or this may be cool. I honestly don't see myself using it because it doesn't have any beauty. You know, it's not going to depuff any. Well, maybe. I don't know. Let me know if you would enjoy receiving such a thing. What are they going to say this thing costs? No. Retails for $49.99 and is also a new launch. I don't know how I feel about this box. I got a lot of really good name brands. I like some of that. I don't know. Let's recap. So we got an eye mask kit. We got for Dr. Brandt a triple antioxidant face cream. We got some under eye masks. We got the world's smallest Smashbox eyeshadow palette with the coolest packaging. We got the iconic Nars Orgasm blush. I was super excited until I smelled it. Night cream, or gel night cream, scent of rose. And then from Elemis, a cleansing balm, cleansing butter. It's a balm. And a really pricey body gel. Still don't know what a body gel is, but I assume it just means a body lotion in gel form. Let me know if I'm wrong. All right, what are your thoughts? Here is everything. Honestly, here's the total value. I'm hemming and hawing because everyone's probably like, oh my God, you got such a good box. Because honestly, there's like 3 or 4 of these products that I'm not going to use or aren't my favorite. So eyeshadow, yes, I'll use. The blush, yes. Dr. Brandt, of course. This I should use. I will put in my bathroom. Okay, if it's a body cream, yes. But then you have great brand, Elemis. I just don't use, but you know, when I wash my face in the shower, I use more of the creamy kind. I will use it. Not my favorite. Cannot stand the scent. Love the type of product. Normally I'd be gushing over a gel sleeping mask. No. This, no. So I'd say it's okay. It's not a bad box, but it's not a great box. Let me know if you think I'm cray-cray or if you agree with me. I don't know. I just figure if only like 4.5 of the 8 items I received, I think it warrants. Now, is it worth $50? Yes. But just on a wow factor of, oh my God, I love all 8 of the products I got. I'm going to use them. No. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you for stopping by. Listen to me be a little cranky. I'm not cranky. I'm being honest. If you haven't done so yet, I would love for you to subscribe. For those who have, thank you. Please click the little guy down here. Looks like that. It really helps with the algorithm. If you haven't done so yet, right there is a link to my 500 subscriber giveaway, which is right around the corner. that video will have all of the details you need to participate. All right. Thanks, everyone.